Hey, want to turn a backyard shed into a cozy little home? For less than $10,000. Yep, those barn-style sheds you see at Home Depot, they're not just for storing tools anymore. People all over are getting creative and turning them into stylish tiny houses, studios, ADUs, or even weekend cabins. But the big question is, can you really live in one of these? And which ones are actually worth the money? Let's check out some of the best barn sheds you can buy at Home Depot right now. Craftsman's Cove, 10 by 12 feet, wood barn kit with convenient loft. Price, $3,435. Need storage without taking up much space? The Craftsman's Cove barn kit gives you lots of room with its tall walls and smart loft design. High side walls combined with a convenient split loft design creates maximum storage capacity. Functional second-floor loft doors provide outside access. It's built strong with tough 2x4 framing and ready-to-paint panels, so you can match it to your house. Worried about weather? Don't be. It handles heavy snow and strong winds, plus it comes with hurricane hangers for extra safety. Extras you'll love. 120 square feet of loft space with big openings. Bug and rot-resistant siding with a 15-year limited warranty. Moving on to the next shed on our list. Planner's Paradise 12 feet by 16 feet wood shed kit. Price $7,538. The Planner's Paradise with transom doors and dormer kit by Best Barnes provides elegance and plenty of space for all of your storage needs. The spacious 6 feet 1 inch wide carriage-style doors offer convenience with a touch of elegance. This 192 square feet shed kit comes standard with our Elite package, which includes set of sliding doors, centered gable side, a 32-inch 9-light walk-in door, centered eave side, 18-inch by 36-inch windows with vinyl shutters, dormers with sunburst windows providing additional natural light/ventilation. With its second-floor loft and 4 feet 3 inch of headroom, there's enough room for a sleeping area if you are looking for a cozy cabin or simply need additional storage space. The first floor, with its high 8 feet 1 inch sidewalls, has plenty of room to add shelving for even more versatile storage. Handcrafted Homestead 12 feet by 20 feet wood barn kit with loft and fortress floor. Price, $7,000. The Handcrafted Homestead with loft barn kit, where rustic charm meets serious storage power. Looking for a smart way to add more space to your property? The Handcrafted Homestead barn with loft might be just what you need. It's not just practical, it looks great too, with its classic barn style and cozy split loft design. Think of it as a stylish upgrade for your backyard that works as hard as it looks good. Now, Peace barn-style sheds got 7-foot walls, plenty of room to walk around and store everything from tools to an ATV. The double doors are huge, over 6 feet tall and wide, so getting stuff in and out is no problem. Up top, you've got loft space on both ends, plus a big opening in the middle to reach it all. There's even a real working loft door. That's 192 extra square feet of bonus storage. The barn doors come pre-assembled with that classic crossbuck look and heavy-duty hardware, built to last and look good doing it. And yes, it ships straight to your curb from your local Home Depot. Rustic charm, real strength, tons of space. This isn't just a shed, it's your new backyard upgrade. Crafter's Connection 12 by 16 feet. Woodshed kit with convenient sliding doors. Price, $3,979. Now check this out. The Crafter's Connection 12 by 16 feet woodshed kit is roomy, stylish, and perfect for DIYers. You've got wide sliding barn doors, a walk-in door, and tons of space inside, enough for a riding mower, tools, and even a cozy little workspace. With tall 6.4-inch walls and over 11 feet at the peak, there's plenty of headroom to dream big. Built strong with premium 2x4, it's made to handle tough weather, up to 50 pounds, snow loads, and winds, up to 150 miles per hour. Ready to paint, bug, and rot resistance, and backed by a 50-year warranty, it's your blank canvas. Let's build something awesome. Backyard Basecamp 12 by 12 feet, woodshed kit. Price $3,583. Need more space in your backyard? This shed's got your back. The Backyard Basecamp shed is the perfect way to clear up your clutter and add a little charm to your outdoor space. Whether it's tools, toys, or holiday decorations, there's room for it all. Spacious? You bet. It comes with large barn doors over 5 feet wide and an extra walk-in door for easy access. Inside, the 6 feet tall sidewalls give you plenty of headroom and room to add shelves, too. DIY fan? This shed is made for customization, painted, add shelves, or even install windows if you like. Just make sure to check your local building permits before ordering. Windemere 10 by 12 feet. Deluxe multi-purpose wood shed with smart side and operable window. Price $2,999. Now meet the handy Home Windemere A120 square feet, 12 by 10 feet, wood shed kit that's got style, size, and strength all rolled into one. This thing stands tall at 10 feet with big 7-foot high side walls. So yeah, it's got that wow factor right from the start. Not your average tool shack. This baby's got curb appeal. It's built with treated wood siding that fights off fungus and bugs like a champ. And with solid 2x4 framing, it's tough from the ground all the way to the roof. You get a double door setup extra wide and tall with fancy transom windows built right in. Plus, they're hung on heavy-duty steel hinges so they won't sag or go wonky over time. And with over 1,000 cubic feet of space inside, it's way more than a storage spot. Turn it into your creative studio, a cozy hangout, or your own little backyard getaway. Sunshed 8 by 12 feet, Western Red Cedar Garden Shed. Price $7,549. Okay, now check this out. This 8 by 12 feet Sunshed is not just a shed, it's a sun-drenched garden dream. You've got 8 big windows down the side and clear roof panels that let the sunshine pour in. It's like a mini greenhouse meets cozy backyard studio. Seriously, it's a plant lover's paradise and a creative's little escape. Want to jumpstart your gardening season? Boom, greenhouse mode. Want to paint, sew, build, or just vibe with some tea and sunlight? It's got plenty of space for your tools, pots, and gear, but still looks super cute in any yard. Oh, and it comes unstained, so you can paint it any color you want. Go wild. Match your vibe, your house, or your favorite flower. Your shed, your rules. Crafter's Connection 12 by 16 feet wood shed kit with barn doors. Price $5,218. The Crafter's Connection with walk-in doors, the ideal solution for the DIYer in need of additional space and appreciates the creative process our DIY kits provide. The space-saving sliding doors add convenience and tasteful appeal. This DIY storage shed kit features a gable overhang above the large 5 feet, 4-inch wide by 5 feet, 11 inches, high double doors. This shed kit is big enough for your riding mower with plenty of space remaining for all your lawn and garden equipment. With its 6 feet by 4 inches, high side walls, you'll have plenty of headroom to add shelving if you desire. Backyard Basecamp 12 feet by 12 feet wood shed kit. Price $3,583. All right, folks, if you're tired of tripping over rakes and garden hoses, this one's for you. This 12 by 12 beauty isn't just a shed, it's your new backyard command center. The Backyard Basecamp with walk-in door will be the perfect addition to any backyard setting and allows for unique DIY customization options. Big enough to fit all your tools, gear, and even that lawnmower you always forget to cover. Whether you're a gardening pro or just trying to reclaim your yard from chaos, this shed's got your back. Built to last? Absolutely. Made with top-notch wood and this awesome thing called a fortress floor. And the best part? Easy access, zero stress. This shed isn't just storage, it's a game changer. Shedquarters 12 by 20 feet, woodshed kit. Price $6,215. Now, meet the Shedquarters Storage Shed Kit, your new backyard bestie. This 240 square feet beauty doesn't just look good, It's built to handle your stuff. Got a riding mower? No problem. Still need room for your rakes, shovels, and garden gear? It's got you covered. Now here's the cool part. The sidewalls are just over 6 feet tall, so you can even throw in some shelves if you want to get fancy with your organization. And check this out, it's got a third door. Yep, a bonus access point, so you're not squeezing everything through one entrance. Camp Reynolds, 28 by 16 feet, wood storage building. Price, $17,820. This one's a total standout. It's called the Crafted Colossal with man door and dormer kit. Yeah, long name, but it's worth it. It's the star of the Best Barns lineup, giving you 2 full stories of space. Great for storage or even turning it into a cozy hangout spot. What makes it special? The E-Light package. You get a stylish 36-inch door with 9 glass panels, a huge 20-foot dormer for tons of natural light, 4 insulated windows with shutters you can paint your way, built strong with 2x4 walls, 2x6 roof trusses, and solid materials all around. You can put it on any foundation you like. Planner's Paradise 12 by 20 feet wood shed kit. Price, $9,700. And finally, we've got a 240 square feet, 12 by 20 foot traditional style shed that's basically a cozy little cabin waiting to happen. This luxurious shed kit comes standard with our Elite package, which includes set of sliding doors centered gable side, a 32-inch 9-light walk-in door centered eave side, 18 by 36-inch windows with vinyl shutters, gable sunburst window, dormers with sunburst windows providing additional natural light and ventilation. With its second-floor loft and 4 feet 3 inches of headroom, there's enough room for a sleeping area if you are looking for a cozy cabin or simply need additional storage space. The first floor, with its high 8 feet 1 inch sidewalls, has plenty of room to add shelving for even more versatile storage. Roof, built to take a beating, holds up to 40 pounds of snow per square foot and stands strong in 130 miles per hour winds. Yup, it's storm ready. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or got a few ideas spinning in your head, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to drop a comment. We would love to hear if you're planning your own shed-to-home transformation.